Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share something simple and delicious banana bread snack. If you are in a hurry and you want to make a healthy and quick snack, here is a perfect recipe. It requires minimal ingredients. Kids would really love it. Try and enjoy. Now let's get started. Ingredients for banana bread balls. To make this recipe, I've taken 6 slices of bread, trim the edges. To a blender, add the bread pieces. We need breadcrumbs, so pulse it for about 30 to 40 seconds. This recipe requires fully ripe banana. Any banana would be fine. I'm using 8 bananas. If you are using a big one, use 2 to 3 bananas. Now let's chop them into small pieces. To a pan, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of ghee. You can also use butter. This is 10 to 12 cashew nuts. Break into small pieces. You could use any nuts of your liking. Fry it until they are light golden. This is done. Take it out from the pan and keep it aside. Now into the same pan, add the chopped bananas and fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm adding little less than quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. This is for the color. A pinch of salt. Three tablespoons of sugar. You can also use jaggery instead of sugar. Sugar has to melt, so while frying, mash and keep frying it. Now I'm adding the fried cashew nuts. Turn off the flame and add half a cup of desiccated coconut. If it's not available, use fresh grated coconut. In this stage, add the breadcrumbs also. Now give this a nice thorough mix. Finally, add a teaspoon of cardamom powder and keep mixing it until well combined. Once everything comes together, just keep this aside. It has to cool a bit. I've transferred the mixture to a plate. Now it's warm. Take this mixture and make small equal size balls. You can straight away serve it like this, or if you like a crisp coating, just add some oil or ghee to a pan, fry and serve them. I've added some ghee to the pan. Now add the bread banana balls and fry them on a medium heat until they turn light golden. Since it's already cooked, it will not take much time. It will be done in 1 or 2 minutes. Keep the flame on medium and just keep turning and frying. This is done, nice and crisp. Now take it out from the pan. There you have it, quick and healthy banana bread balls in under 10 minutes. These can be served as an evening snack or a brunch with some chocolate syrup on top. Kids would really love it. And I hope you'll find this recipe useful. If you do, consider subscribing, like, share, and comment. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.